because it's your birthday. So I'm gonna read. We got you this card, and I'm gonna read it to you.
Show her the front of it. It's very pretty. Now read it.
Love can't be counted in candles or measured in years that have flown. It's counted in kindness, close friends, and loved ones, and all the sweet blessings we've known.
What's it say on the inside?
It says, thinking of you on your birthday, remembering everything that makes you special, wishing you everything that makes you happy.
We love you.
We love you also. All of us love you.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy
birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Mom, Grandma, Patty.
Patty.